How to open login was not approved Facebook account. So if you want to open login was not approved on your Facebook account, then first you need to open up your Google or your browser. And here you need to search for free facebook.com/home. You can tap on the first option and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply tap on login. And if it says that login approval needed, then what you need to do is you need to just go and turn on a VPN. You can choose any VPN that you're comfortable with. Connect your VPN to United States or any other country or like United Kingdom. Once you've connected your VPN, then you need to go back to the page and you can tap on login. Once you tap on login, now you're all set. It will be logged into your account. You can complete the action by using your Facebook or your Facebook Lite and you'll be logged in. That's how you can open login was not approved on your Facebook account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.